In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to send payment using Cash App. Step 1. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. In the Cash App interface, enter the amount of money you want to send. After entering the amount, locate and tap the Pay button. You can send the payment to the recipient by entering their email address, phone number, or cash tag, which is a unique Cash App username. If you want to add a note to specify what payment is for, this step is optional but can be useful to keep track of transactions. Double-check the entry details, including the recipient's information and the payment amount. Once everything looks correct, tap on the Pay button to confirm the transaction. Ensure you have sufficient funds available on your Cash App balance or linked bank account to cover the payment. And Cash App may prompt you to enter your PIN or authenticate using Touch ID. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.